Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. I'm your maths teacher Arpita Sharma. Students, you can find your every solution of your every doubt on our website. You can visit right there. Okay, so we were having the discussion, the chit chat on our topic linear equation in two variables. Okay, so we have covered some theory part, students, and we were discussing that how can we solve these equations other than graphical solution. So we find out about algebraic solution and we discussed one method, and that method was elimination and substitution method. So students, I left you with these questions, right? 15 by u plus 2 by v equals to 17 and 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 36 by 5. This was the pair we are going to discuss. Now students, you will be saying that, ma'am, what you have done with us? You have taught you, right, this kind of pattern, and now you were assigned us this kind of pattern. What is this? Are you fooling us or what? No, student, I'm not fooling you. Okay, so, it's another kind. I was just trying to, make your mind more, do some exercise, right? Because exercise is good for health. I always do this, students. Okay, so talking about solution number 1 of this question, which is we are having here given equations. Given equation, student, is what? Tell me here. Okay, 15 by u plus 2 by v equals to 17. Then 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 36 by 5. Now, according to what we have studied, what I was having, that will be having these two equations, that is equation number 1 and that is equation number 2. Now what will I do? I'll find the value of y. In this term, I'm having this u and v. So what will I do? I'll be finding the value of v in terms of u and then substitute the second equation and then the find of the value of u. Okay, and then the find the value of v. Now in this case, how will I do that? Because it's in like inverse. So should I do this thing, multiply, take LCM and all these blah blah blah. So let's find out some convenient approach for these kind of questions. What is it? Let's talk about that here. Okay, so can I have this equation? I have taught you, student, then if this is my LHS and this is RHS. This is RHS and this is LHS. Now I am going to multiply it by something, let's suppose A, and I am going to multiply it by A. So these equation will not be changed. No, right? If I divide it by any constant value, the value will not going to be changed. So the equation will remain same. This will be equals to this part. Okay, students, so we have talked about it. Now it's time to apply this property. I always told you to remember that theory we are talking about. Be very specific on the theory part, right, student, because we are going to use in that question. So I am having this approach here also. I have to substitute the value of 2 by v here. But I am not having here 2 by v. So how can I have this value 2 by v here? I can just simply multiply this complete equation by 2. If I am going to multiply it by 2, that will be 2 by u plus 2 by v. Now I can find the value of 2 by v in the terms of u, right? And this is what I want. This is what I want. So what I will write here, multiply equation 2 by 2 simply. Now that will become 2 multiplied by 1 by v or u 1 by v equals to 36 by 5 multiplied by 2. Alright, that will become 2 by u plus 2 by v equals to, this is 12, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 to 6, 1 7, 72 by 5. Okay, what I have done, right, it's V here, right. Okay, now this implies that 2 by V, understand I am calculating value of 2 by V to place here, equals to 72 by 5 minus 2 by U. Now this is the value, put the value of 2 by V in equation, this is equation 2. So I will be taking that in 1, in equation 1. So that will become 15 by U plus 2 by V. 2 by V equals to 72 by 5 minus 2 by U. Okay, equals to 17. Okay students, now can I have this side here? Now come to this side, we will talk about this here. Now if you solve this student, that is 15 by U minus 2 by U equals to 17 minus 72 by 5. Okay, now what will I do? I am just simply calculating this, that will become 13 by U equals to, this will be 85 minus 72 by 5. Now this will be 3 here, 1 here and 5 here. Now 13 and 13 will cancel out. This implies that 1 by U equals to 1 by 5. By cross multiplication, simply you can find out that U equals to 5. This is 1. Okay, so now if U equals to 5 students, then what is the value of V? Now we are having this 2 by U plus 2 by V equals to 72 by 5. Okay, so I can write this by equation, which equation? This equation that I am named third. By equation third, and taking the value here, okay, that will become 2 by 5. I am putting the value of U equals to 5 here plus 2 by V equals to 72 by 5. 72 by 5. Okay, now this will become 2 by V equals to 72 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equals to 70 by 5. Right? Okay. So, can I rub this portion? Right, I am going to rub this portion till here. So, I am rubbing this portion. Okay, students. Okay, so it is 2 by V equals to 70 by 5. Now, this 2 will cut this 35 times. Right, and this 5 will cut this by how many times? 7 times. So, 1 by V equals to 7 by 1. So, now by cross multiplication, you will be finding that the value of V is equals to what? 1 by 7, isn't it? Right, students? So, this will the value of V equals to 1 by 7. Right? Now, how will I, how can I tell that is this value is true? We will be having a check. Now, in this check, we will be putting simply the value of 1 by V. Now, 1 by U's value is 5, I have calculated. 1 by V is equals to 1 by 7. So, 1 by V will be equals to 7, right. So, 7 that will equals to 5 here, 5 here and 35 here. Sorry, it is not 5 here, it is 1 here. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and 1. So, that will be 36 by 5. Now, look here, this is also 36 by 5. Here 36 by 5, here 36 by 5. So, I have put the right values of V and U. So if I have put the right values of V and U, that means what? I have done this question correctly. So completed with this question. Okay, note this students. Okay, so with that question, can I rub it now? Okay. So students, what we will do now? We'll do the next question. Okay. So understand this, Mohit. Actually, right. Okay, you. So this is a solution for the second part. Given is 11 by V minus 7 by U equals to 1. Now it's tricky, right? It's V, it's U. Now don't confuse with that. V is V and U is U. You are not going to do this like 11 by U minus 7 by V. It happens. These are the silly mistakes, right? Okay. So first we will do what? We will be writing the given equation. Okay, so given equation is 11 by V minus 7 by U equals to 1, right? And 9 by V minus 4 by U, 4, okay, equals to 6. So students, what I have to do is, whether I have to make this in the form of that or this in the form of that. How? Let's find out. This is first equation, this is second equation. Now, if I have to make it like this, okay, so with this equation number second, okay, I'll do this 9 by V, okay, minus 4 by U. Now I have to convert this 4 by U in 7 by U. What can I do? Just I'll write this equation and I have to multiply it by, I have to eliminate this 4 first. So what will I do? Divide by 4, right? And if I have to take this 4 here, so what I'll done? Okay, just what else I can do is should I multiply it by 2? That will become 8. Okay students, so now what will I do? Because I am not having this 7 by 2 or 4 by 2 by multiplying these equations. So what will I do? I can do one thing. I will be putting 1, put 1 by V equals to X and 1 by U equals to Y. Now if you do so students, what will you find out? Implies that now these two equations will convert in another equation which is 11. Now 1 by V is X, 11X minus 7Y equals to 1 and in equation 1 and 2. Okay, so now I will be finding the value of X and Y simply how we used to do, and then we will find out that if value of X is this, then value of V will be just inverse of that. Okay, so 9X minus 4Y equals to 6. So this is our equation 3rd and equation 4th. Now I will be repeating the same procedure student. What will I doing? From equation 1, I will be finding this minus 7Y equals to 1 minus 11X, right? This implies that Y equals to 11X minus 1, this is minus by 7. Okay, now next thing is put this value in second equation, putting value of Y in equation in equation 4th. Because I have used the third equation to get the value of y, I will be using the second equation, next equation, remaining equation to put the value of y. Okay, so 9x minus 4. Now value of y is what? 11x minus 1 by 7 equals to 6. From there, students, I can get what? This 9x multiplied by 7, okay, minus, I am transposing 7 here, minus 44x plus 4 equals to 7 multiplied by 6, 42. Okay, now I'll be solving this. Now this is 9 and 7, that is 63x. 63x minus 44x is what? 9 and 1, 19, right? So that will be 19x equals to 42 minus 4, that will be 38, okay, equals to, right, 38. So x will be equals to 38 minus 19 equals to, or I can write there, implies that x equals to 38 by 19, that is equals to 2. So students, from there I will be having this value x equals to 2. What? X equals to 2, right? Okay, I am having this value x equals to 2. Now the value of y, if I will be putting the value in this equation number, let us suppose this is equation 5th. Put value in equation 5th, where y is equals to what? 11x minus 1 by 7, which will be 11 multiplied by 2 will give you 22. So can I write 22 here? Minus 1 by 7, 21 by 7 is nothing but 3. So y equals to 3. Y equals to what, student? Y equals to 3 I have. So now if x equals to 2, but I have taken x equals to 1 by v, okay, but x equals to 1 by v and y equals to 1 by u. This implies that v equals to 1 by 2 and v equals to 1 by 2 and u equals to 1 by y, right? So that will be 1 by 3. Now this is about the question. This is about the question. So note this, student. This was your question. Question number 2nd. Note this. Then we will be checking. Right? Okay. Noted. So students, now we are going to check this. So I am going to rub it right from there. Okay. Right. So this is a check. This is not a check. Okay. So you can put amount and withdraw. It's a check. Right. So sound check, mic check and question check is 11 by v minus 7 by u equals to 1. Now the value of v is 1 by 2. That implies that 11 upon 1 by 2 minus 7 upon 1 u, right, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. That should be equals to what? 1. Now let us find out. This is equals to 11 by 2 minus 7 multiplied by 3, that is 22, that is 21 equals to 1. Now 1 is equals to 1, 1 equals to 1, okay, say yes, okay. Now this is first. Now the second, about this second, 9 by v minus 4 by u equals to 6. Okay, now what will it give you? This is 9, don't confuse it with 5. 9 by v. V is what? 1 by 2. So 9 by 1 by 2 minus 4 by 1 by 3, that should be equals to 6. So 9 by 2, sorry, 9 multiplied by 2 minus 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 18 minus 12, and that is equals to what? 6. Again 6, student. So again this is also true. So I have taken care of this, all these two equations, and find out that yes, these values are what? True, right values that we have calculated. So clear with the question? How can we find out the value? In the first, I have told you by multiplication you can find out. In the second, I have told you by substitution you can do like x equals to 1 by v, and so same procedure you can follow in the first, and you will see that the solution you are getting, the answer you are getting is same. Okay, right. So now I am just rubbing this, students. Alright, so with the next question, solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. Okay, so basically what I have to do? I have to find the value of these two pair of equations. From there I can have the value of y and x. Now, if I am having this value of y and x, if I am having the value of y and x, then I can simply find the value of m. So, there is nothing extra but just a little thing, that by solving these two equations, you will be getting the value of x and y, and by these values x and y, you will be having this value. Right? Start doing this question. Okay. Student, this is about maths, but if you are finding any difficulty in your other subjects like chemistry and physics and social study, so you can just visit our website and have some wonderful teachers over there that will, make these subjects very easy for you guys. Okay, so here's the solution part. Solution part, which is, I have told you what you have to do. Given equations you have to write, given equations, right. So given equations are what? 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to what? Minus 24. This is your equation 1, this is your equation 2, like any other question. Now what you have to do? Say, right. So the first thing is 2x minus 3y equals to 11. This implies that 3y, or I can directly now write now, just have the value of y here, that will be 11 minus 2x upon 3, isn't it? Okay, so you are having this value. Now what will you do? Put value. This will be the third equation. Now you know which equation is which number, you know it all, right? So I don't have to mention in each and every question, right? So even though I am doing, because it's like it's a process of you guys to be familiar with these kind of questions. Okay, so put y, value of y, put value of y in equation. Which equation you have left over there? This second. Yep, I've done this particular equation, just use it now, right? So that will be 2x minus 4. Now why is this? Y, okay, equals to minus 24. If that is so, then I can just eliminate this 2, right, students? By 2 times and by 12 times. Okay, so x minus 22. This minus and minus will become plus. Now, this is 22 multiply by, can I just multiply it also by 3, right, and this also by 3, okay, so that I can have this 3 here, okay. Now this is what I have taught you the here, 2 multiply by 11, 22, and that 3 multiply by here, okay. Now this is 2, right. So can I do one thing? I can just have this 3 here, right? No, I won't be here, that will be here, okay. So that will be 22 minus 4x, okay. So 22 minus 4x, and okay, I'll just do it again. So what we have done, we have just multiplied this with 3 to take LCM, that will be 22 minus 4x as it is. Now this 3 will transpose here and that will become minus 12 by multiplied by 3. Now that will be minus x, okay, and that will be minus 36. Now this will become plus 22 here, okay. So that will give you x equals to, right, x equals to, this will be 4 and this will be 1, minus of 14. X is what? Minus of 14. If x equals to minus of 14, implies that y will it become what? 11 minus of 2 multiplied by minus of 14 divided by 3. So it is 11 plus minus minus plus 28 by 3 equals to 9, 3 by 3, that will be cut by 13. So this is 13. So now y equals to 13. Now this is the second value. The x equals to minus 14 and y equals to 13, they are correct or not? Have I done some silly mistake in this question or not? So what will I do? I'll just check it. I'll check it by this. Check here. I can just, okay, why I am not solving complete question? Because I am here having here, this is also, because if I will take these values wrong, then this value will be also wrong. So what's the point? I can check it right here, right? So check is there, 2 multiply the value of x minus 14 plus 3 multiply by the value of y, that is 13, should be equals to 11, should be equals to 11. So minus 28 and 9 and 3, sorry, this is minus not 11, plus, okay, this is plus. Now this will be what? Now 39, 28 minus 1, okay, so that will be minus 11. Now not minus 11, plus 11, okay, so plus 11 and it is also 11, so 11 and 11. So check is done, this is right value, okay, these values of x, y are correct, okay students. So 11 equals to 11, so checked. Now mic check, sound check, all check. So should we dance on DJ right now? Okay, so we are having given equation is what? Y equals to mx plus 3, mx plus 3, right? Putting the value of which values? X and y, values of x and y, okay. Putting the values of x and y, what we can have? We can have this y's value is where? Right, 13, okay, 13 equals to m multiply by x, x is what? Minus 14, minus 14 plus 3, this is what? Minus 14m plus 3, plus not m, plus 3, plus 3. This implies that minus 14m equals to 13 minus 3, which is equals to 10. So m will be equals to minus of 10 by 14, which is minus 5 by 7. So value of m is what? Here I can have value of m equals to minus 5 by 7. Here is the answer. Minus 5 by 7 is the answer here. Okay? Okay, student, should I rub this? Okay. Now, students, you can also see this, that y equals to what? You are having this y equals to y equals to 2x. So, x equals to minus 14 I have find out, and y equals to I have find out 13, right? Okay. So, if I am having these values and m's value is what? Minus 5 by 7, then check with this, 13 should be equals to m, which is minus 7 by minus 5 by 7 multiply by x, this is minus 14, right, plus 3. So, this should be equals to 13, right. So, 13 should be equals to plus, okay, now by 2 times, so that will be minus 10 plus 3. So, students, this is plus, right, this is 13 and right here it is also 13. So, 13 is equals to 13 is correct. So, the solution is correct again. Okay. So, students, I am just rubbing the complete solution here. Okay. Okay, students, after this we are having method of elimination by equating the coefficient. Now, don't be so in hurry. We are going to discuss this particular method in our next lecture, students. So, wait for the next lecture and do exercise, right, for your bright future. Of course, if you will do exercise, it will be good for your future. And do visit our new chapters and new subjects in our website, right, students, so that you can have more understanding of all the subjects. Okay, we are having very good team, we are very good teachers out there. So, go on the website link and you will be finding some amazing questions, some amazing teachers for you, right, students. Okay, take care, bye-bye.